Hello everyone, today let's make taro bread. This bread is super fluffy and soft and very easy to make. For the taro filling, you can check my previous video taro cake roll. I'll put the link down below. In the mixing bowl, let's add some bread flour, milk, sugar, salt, yeast powder, milk powder, and start kneading on low and form everything into a dough ball. Once your dough ball has formed, turn the mixer to medium to high and knead it until it's smooth. Like this, the dough should look very smooth and silky. Add in your room temperature butter and mix it on low until the butter is well absorbed. Your dough might look a little bit wet at first, but that's okay. Increase the mixer speed to medium to high and knead it for 3 to 5 minutes until your mixing bowl is clean and your dough is smooth and stretchy. Take a small piece out to test. It can form a very thin layer without easily breaking. Proof your dough at room temperature for about an hour to an hour and a half until it's doubled in size. Poke a hole in your dough. If the hole stays, that means your dough is ready to use. Take your dough out of the bowl and gently press on it to remove all the air bubbles. Cut the dough into 8 equal pieces. If you want your dough to be exact sizes, you can weigh them on the kitchen scale. Each piece is about 56 grams. Fold your dough a little bit and then roll it into a ball. And now you have 8 small dough balls. Cover the dough balls with plastic wrap and let them rest for about 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's get the fillings ready. Each taro filling is about 35 grams. Roll them into balls. After 15 minutes, you can see our dough balls are bigger now. Now we're going to shape them again. Take one small dough ball out and roll it out into a small circle. You want to make sure you remove all the air bubbles. Flip your dough so the smooth surface will be on the outside. Put the taro filling inside and pinch your dough together. Roll it on the board to make it more round. Do the same to the rest of the dough balls. We're going to do the second proof in the oven. You can either use a hot water on the bottom or you can use the proof function of the oven. After about 30 minutes, the bread has doubled in size. Brush the bread with milk or egg wash and decorate them with some sesame seeds. Bake them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're golden brown. And now they're done. I'll open one up and show you. It's super soft and fluffy, and the taro filling makes a very good combination. Subscribe for more videos in the future.